Hello there, Namaste. My name is 𝗤𝗍. I'm coming from Greece and I think I made the best decision ever to come and study here in Yoga Vinyasayogshalla. All of the teachers were really amazing. I have learned so much and I can really say it was a life-changing experience for me. The support I got from all of the teachers was amazing. I felt like we were all like kind of a family here. And this is my certificate for the 200 hours. And if you're thinking about coming here, just like really don't think twice. It's really one, if not the best, it's one of the best schools in Rishikesh. Thank you.